I want to show you how to model this Anglepoise lamp. So let's go into the block editor. Here you can see I already have some pre-assembled blocks. The approach is here. If you want to do it correctly, you need to actually use the parametric design. First you need to actually fix all the blocks in place. So here we're going to move the base to the 0 point and we're going to fix it so it doesn't move when other parts are moving. Then the links are actually we're gonna make coincident to the hinge, to the bottom hinge, like this. Then intermediate hinge. So see here I'm just connecting the links to the hinge, connecting the blocks together, and let's see what happens. So all of them are actually now concentric. The links and the hinges are concentric to each other, and so now we want to have a lamp itself that is actually rotating at the end of the hinge. So now I'm going to create a rotation parameter, and we're going to create a point move parameter that will basically control how you can actually move everything together. I'm selecting here a link because actually you need only to move one part. So let's test it. Now you see what is going on. You see the base is rotating, so we need to actually edit it, and we need to add a horizontal constraint to the base so it's not moving. We already made a fix to the point, but because it's only the point fixed, that's why it's rotating. Now we're going to test the rotation of the lamp. You see that it's actually doing it. It's independent from the other parameters because those are actually constraints. And now if I move that point, you see that it's actually moving. You see the mistake. So the point is actually lost its connection, and also the rotation parameter also lost its base. So now we're gonna edit it, and we're gonna move, instead of the link, we're gonna move the hinge. Let's see again. So now don't worry about the other parameter, we're gonna fix it now. So we're gonna need to actually add it to the selection set. So we say new selection, and we select the hinge, and we select the parameter itself. See? So now it's in one set. We save it, and now when we move it, you see it's moving together, because now we're moving two things. We're moving a hinge and we're moving parameter, rotation parameter. So this method is not it does not allow you to do precise angles, and you can see also the design of the intermediate hinge. The middle hinge is actually not entirely correct. So basically for free movements that's okay, but we need to adjust. Yeah, the lamp is also rotating, as you can see, but what I want to do is actually I want to adjust this hinge here. So I'm gonna go into the block again. So we need to actually delete those constraints for now. We will recreate them later, but for now, to change the hinge design, we need to delete them. I'm deleting by pressing on a little X there, but as soon as you move it, it's returning. So you actually need to delete them, not by X, but you actually need to delete them by just delete button. So you need to select them, click delete, 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 and now you can see it's actually a separate hinge. So now I'm gonna edit it. We save the changes, and then here we just mirror it. That's all we need. We just keep it like this, and we save it. Now go back to this block, we edit it, and now we recreate the constraints. Just be careful which holes you align. So this one has to go to the top, and this one has to go to the bottom, and then the other links we connect to the top holes like this. You can see that the parameters actually lost their base again, so we need to move them back, but you see already lamp is actually moving as we anticipated. So let's fix the parameters again, these two. We move it one to the center, that's for rotation, and this one we need to move to the center of the hole here. So now you can see that you can rotate the lamp, and you can actually turn the hinge, or move the hinge actually. Yeah, that's it. That's the way you can do it. You can actually add additional parameters. If you want to rotate the hinge, for example, separately, you can add it. But if you need precise orientations, leave the comment and I will record another video for you, and see you later.